Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Saturday, May 25th. No, it's the 26th. So yeah, it's Saturday morning. It's like 9:15. I just left Starbucks, so let's go pick me up some breakfast. Not really, but I wanted real breakfast. I thought I had eggs in the house, but I didn't, so I was like, let me just go buy something. So I just washed and conditioned and stuffed my hair this morning. I took my faux locks out because I'm getting ready to film a hair video, and this is the first time I've really worn my natural hair in public. Not like, well, I have worn it in public before. When I first like big chopped, I wore it out in public. I lied. This is the third time I've worn my natural hair out in public. So the first time when I first big chopped, and then I had did like another wash and go a month later. But this is the first time I've worn it like blown out like this. The other times I've kind of had my curls and stuff defined. So yeah, I don't think I look bad. It is different for me, but my hair is getting long. It's super thick, and I had just ran to Starbucks, so it's not like anything big. But it's weird because I feel like I don't look a whole mess, but I do look half a mess. I'm definitely not put together, and I feel like any other time I see nobody, but today I seen like two people I went to high school with, and it's like, man, y'all catch me on the worst days. But yeah, I'm getting ready to get in this house and start on my hair. It is Memorial Day weekend, so I'm gonna do my hair today, probably go to the nail shop later. And then I'm so nosy. And then Misha's gonna come over later. I'm gonna do her hair. I want to practice some frontals on her, so I'm gonna do her hair later. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go to brunch. It is Nikki's birthday is on Monday, but we're gonna celebrate tomorrow. And yeah, so you guys will be along for the ride, so I'll check back in with you guys later. So we just got an Uber. I was supposed to be there at 12. What time is it? I don't know. After 12. 12:16. It's 12:16. You're supposed to be there at 12. I went to the nail shop and I just wasn't on time.
But she looked good.
But yeah, my outfit is cute. I got on some jeans, this cute bag, this little thing from Forever 21, and some sandals. We should up in the front seat.
I'll get out in the front.
I'll see y'all. And I was trying to decide if I wanted a mimosa or a Bellini.
Kind of like you got stuck and then nowhere to go but down. Good thing you got to go.
Oh no.
Yeah, I mean, yesterday.
Ooh, you look expensive. Y'all so stupid. Happy birthday! Thank even though it's not. Over here.
Yeah.
I gotta take.
Then babe once on the radio. What they got at the juice shop? Do they got liquor?
No, nigga, it's pressed juice.
Thank you. I don't want no pressed juice. Press me some vodka. I want to press something. You want to press something? Is there a Steve's? Can you Google Steve's? There's no Steve's. There gotta be. Fucking Sephora.
We should have went.
I know.
Just wait.
I forgot that. They don't care whose right of way it is.
Nigga, hold my hand. We should pop in a little bit, y'all. Out in these streets. We should pop in a little bit out in these streets.
What you say?
I said we should pop in a little bit out in these streets.
You said popping?
Should poppin'.
Who should pop it?
We is.
We are should pop. We should what? Should pop.
Never mind. So we got another place. We got this my table. We waiting on our sparklers.
Are you recording? Why is it dying?
You said why is it dying?
Oh, it's fine.
We've been having a good time, y'all.
Move it back to my dark shelf.
My arm's not long enough. Nikki went to the bathroom, so we're waiting on her. So we about to get another round at this place. This place is cute. It's hella empty though, but we about to turn it out. It's like a Mexican restaurant. So
Chef Curry special. Put that on film.
we got Chef Curry special.
A burrito, a draft beer, a tequila shot, and a warrior shirt. I wonder if it's authentic.
We don't have no napkins. Oh, it's hella been a party foul.
Wait, what are we gonna do?
Oh, thank you for pouring mine.
Party foul.
Misha hella offended. You a party foul.
What party foul?
I told her party foul because she spilled, and Misha gonna say you're a party foul. Damn. We need to have another girls' night where we make margaritas at what? And watch girls trip and play.
When we do it, want to do it tomorrow?
Yes.
Tomorrow. Okay. Let's do it tomorrow.
Bad, bad, bad. Oh, it's early. We early. There's so many white people. There's so many.
Are you vlogging?
So many white people.
The white people.
And a button down at the bottom.
Like, I haven't seen not one person of
I told y'all.
I haven't seen one person of color.
I told you.
Even a baby looking at us like, what are they?
We got like avatars out here. Real residential. This nigga here. Dude, a lot of pockets.
My lashes is just a blowing.
Just in the fucking shack. Sharmel got us in the cut.
Cause it was construction on the other side.
Look at this shit. These niggas is drunk as fuck. It's low-key corner stores out here. They calling all the motherfucking deli sandwiches. Deli sandwiches. Spirits and wine. We about to be We going to IHOP? I hella want some ranch.
Just wrench.
I want a taco.
I gotta check the direction. I think we.
At the fucking motel. Oh my god. Please, white people. Don't hurt us. Fun over here. Don't hurt us.
Hold on, I gotta look at the. So tired. Means you sleep. We had a long day. It was a long, eventful day. And we headed home in the line. In the lift line.
In the lip.
We got some Mexican food. I got some elote.
After we ate 3 times already.
I needed some food to go. I got some elote and 3 chicken tacos. And they're about to be so good when I get home. You good, Mitch?
My stomach is cramping. I ate too much. I drank too much.
It seems like it's taking forever to get to the freeway.
Yeah, I'm like, we still in the city. Like,
when we get to the bridge. Whew, it's been a long day. My weave is still tight. My weave hurts so bad. It hurt. We tired. What time is it? It's like
Time to go.
7, 8, almost 8 o'clock. We downtown. We getting close. Oh, Carnival is